Hey Photonauts! The guys from Lenscapt sent me a review unit of their magnetically closing lens cap. One thing straight away though, this video is not sponsored and I have no affiliation with Lenscapt. They just asked me if I could check out their new product and I said yeah, why not? I mean, this could probably be interesting for some of you guys. Not too many of you guys though, but they are perfectly aware of the fact that this gadget is not for everyone. After a first attempt to get their idea funded on Kickstarter with the cap only being available in 52mm, the initial reaction from the public was that they definitely needed more size options. So now, half a year later, they are ready to give it another go. They sent me the 58mm version. You can either buy different sizes for your lenses or just mount a bigger one on smaller filter threads by adapting it with step-up rings. Don't overdo it though, as it can lead to vignetting, especially with wide-angle lenses. The same is true of course if you want to use it together with a filter on your lens in addition to the lens cap. The cap itself is made out of plastic, but feels high quality. Installing the thing is pretty straightforward. Screw it onto your filter thread, adjust the angle with the metal ring it comes with, and voila, that's that. Using it is really fast and easy. Push the small flap on the cap side outward and it pops open. I can imagine that if the thing is something you'd use, the move quickly becomes second nature. But then there's that question, who would actually use something like this? I mean, let's be honest, I mostly don't use any lens caps at all anyway, and this particular cap looks a little ridiculous. Although, apart from looking like a toilet seat, I don't see any other flaws in its design. Except perhaps that you don't have any possibilities to use it with a lens hood, variable ND or circular polarizing filter. But I guess it's a case of either this or that. For myself, I see one particular situation where it could be really handy though, rainy weather. You pull the camera up, open up the cap for a second, take your shot and close it again. Like that you're pretty safe from getting any raindrops on your front element. And frankly, the Lenscapt isn't something that we're all going to need, but I think you know if this is meant for you or if it's not. If it is, the link to the website and the Kickstarter page are in the description. Hope you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe, and if you enjoy what we do here, please support us over on Patreon with a small monthly donation. That would make a huge difference. Thanks for watching, bye!